Kia too technical. So today I'm going to do what's on my Z Fold 7. So first, this is my always on display. So I just have the time, the date, and the day. My events. So Thanksgiving is tomorrow. And then it also has the battery. And then I'm also currently using the Now Brief bar, as you can see. Then when I open up my device, this is my lock screen. So this is what my outer display is going to currently look like on my Z Fold 7. So at the top here, I do currently have WKT Widget Pro running. I will make sure I drop a link in the description to where you can go download that if you want to. The paid variant is what I am currently running. So pretty much it's just a widget that says have a beautiful Wednesday, and then it just tells me things about the weather, the day, and the date, and I really like that look and feel. Then if you come down here, I have a few apps that I use on a day-to-day basis. So I have, that is Gmail, Twitter, Telegram X, my gallery, Blue Skies, Facebook, YouTube Studio, Threads, TikTok, and Instagram. And then at the bottom here, I have a widget for a search bar, so I can get in there and search something up real quick if I need to. Then at the bottom here, I have the Google Play Store, my camera app, YouTube, settings, and my text messaging app. If I slide over here, I also have my quick contacts, so I can have easy access to people that I call and text all the time in my family. And then if I slide over on the outer display, you do get your calendar and then my Gmail app. I like to have it sitting here, so if I get if I get emails, I can have access to them instead of just trying to go into the app all the time. Then, of course, when you open up the device, I have this set to where it's going to mirror what's on my the inner display is mirroring what's on the outer display. But with the inner display, this is like two different screens, but it makes it look like it's on one screen. I like this setup a tad bit better than the original way the device comes, because this way everything looks clean and small. The other way, the apps were just a tad bit too big for me. This is how my notification panel is looking. I made this theme using Theme Park. Where is it at? So this is Theme Park right here. This is what I use to customize my device. There is the theme that I'm using right there. And then I also changed the keyboard. I changed the quick panel settings, and I changed the icons, and then I changed the volume panel. That's why I love having a Samsung device, because it's so much customization that you can do. I'm also running an icon pack, and this is the native Samsung launcher. So as you can see, if you slide up, these are some more apps that I currently have installed on my device. So I do have some apps and some folders there tucked away. Then I just have the rest on the screen. I'm not going to go over every app that I have on my device, because we all know what these apps are and what they do. I may have some you have, you may have some I have, or we may all have the same apps. But this is what my app drawer is looking like. Of course, I have the calendar widget, like I said. I do not have another page. It's just these two pages for when you close it. Two pages, and then when you open it up, one big page. And I really love this clean look and feel. I'm also using a font. Let me go to the font real quick. I'm using a different kind of font. I'm not using the original font that came installed on the device. I'm using the Cool Jazz font, and I really like how that looks. It just changes up the font throughout different apps and throughout me using the device. The only font it will not change is the font on your widgets with KWGT widget. So that's something that you need to know. And of course, I have my battery, my time, my date, my battery, my time, my Wi-Fi, and my volume down button. And this is how my volume panel looks. I wanted to match my theme pretty good, so that is why everything is yellow and everything looks good. I got this wallpaper off of Pinterest. I will make sure I drop the wallpaper below or try to drop a link, but if I can't get a link, don't fuss at me too much. Maybe if you could get a hold of me on X, which is a link will be in the description. I can go on and send you that wallpaper because the wallpaper is right here. I just thought it looked good and I wanted to use it on my device. So I am currently rocking a white stone dome privacy screen protector on my outer display there. And I'm also rocking the thin-born case on the back, as you can see. And I'm also rocking a Pataka MagSafe capable ring, just so I can have better grip. And I do not have the front housing on the device, so it's just open in the front, which is okay because I have a screen protector, and then the back is fully protected. And I also do have the white stone dome camera rings on the back. So I hope you found this video helpful, and I will catch you in the next one. I'm out.